guys, so today we're going to be making origami animal rings. So in your pack you'll each get 3 pieces of origami paper. Just pick whichever color you'd like. I'm going to start by folding it in half lengthwise and then turn it and fold it the other way. Next we're going to fold the top into the center and then do the same with the opposite side. And then repeat that step so that we have 8 even sections. Unfold the whole thing, take the top part, fold it over, and then turn it around. And then we're going to fold the corners to the center to create a triangle. Once we have that, turn the whole thing around again, and then take the top of your triangle and fold it into the center again. Flip it once more. I'm going to take our folds and open them up so that the middle of the fold aligns with the edge of the paper. And that's going to create our ears for this one. So now that we have the ears turned around and put the top of the triangle in. So that will be our face section. Put the whole thing in into one straight line. Curve it a little bit, just start to create the shape. It's alright if it's not perfect, you can adjust as you go. And then open up one side of the ring and insert the other side in. It might be a little tricky, so I use a pencil there to open it up. You can use whatever you'd like. And then adjust it as needed, and then you can draw a little piece on it. Ears, and ta-da! We have a little pig. It's pretty simple for the other ones. We're just going to start where we ended off with the pig before we drew the face, and we're just going to fold the top over the top of the ears and round them off a bit, and that's going to give us the eye shape for frogs. So you can just put 2 little frog eyes on the top of where your little eyes bumps will go, and draw a little smile, and you get a little frog ring. And this is really interchangeable with, like, the world is your oyster. Just get creative with it. I hope you enjoyed this simple paper craft. The activity code is PETS. Have fun and happy crafting. Thank you guys so much.